Welcome to today's daily market dissection. The purpose of this educational video is to point out where the Pro9 Trader rules agreed with the Pro9 Trader indicators to produce a qualified trade. Please note that these are hypothetical examples and were not taken live, and as such, they do not account for market conditions such as slippage or orders not being filled. They are for educational purposes to help you fast track your trading and improve your ability to identify our qualified trade setups. Good afternoon. Welcome to the daily market dissection for Tuesday, August 29th, 2017. Today's market is the NQ. Our first trade of the day is a momentum long. This one does hit profit target and the runner grabs an extra tick by trailing at the low of this bar. And we do ride over this tail here by a tick, eventually getting stopped out by this longer tail on bar 20, which does give us another momentum entry. This one again hitting profit target and the runner grabbing an extra tick by trailing at the low of bar 24. Then we have a single T long, and this one unfortunately goes against us, but we are able to adjust our stop from 22 ticks to 18 ticks since the market moved 4 ticks in our favor. Then we have a momentum long, and this one unfortunately goes against us. Then we head into 10 a.m. news, which does keep us out of this continuation here, but we do avoid this losing continuation soon after. We will not enter this momentum at 10:19 as it is heading right into the high of the day and our purple line is not outside of its neutral zone, but we are able to enter this single T here, so we do have plenty of space before we run into the high of the day. This one just hits profit target with the runner grabbing an extra tick by trailing at the low of bar 6. We do get another momentum long on bar 7. This one hits profit target before the close of bar 9. We can begin trailing at the low of the previous bar after the close of bar 11, adjusting to the low of bar 12 after it closes, and then widen to the red DPI after the close of bar 13, eventually getting stopped out by this turn bar. Then we have a continuation long. This one hits profit target at the close of bar 4. We'll begin trailing at the low of the previous bar after the close of bar 6, adjusting to the low of bar 7 after it closes, and widening to the DPI price after the close of bar 8, eventually getting stopped out by this turn bar. This is followed by another continuation. This one hits profit target at the close of bar 10. At the close of bar 4, we can begin trailing at the low of the previous bar after the close of bar 6, adjusting to the low of bar 7, and then widening to the red DPI price, eventually getting stopped out by this turn bar. Then we have our third continuation in a row, a nice little stair step pattern. This one hits profit target at the close of bar 4. We'll trail at the low of bar 6 and 7 when they close, and widen to the red DPI price after the close of bar 8, eventually getting stopped out by this turn bar. Then we have our fourth continuation where it runs out of steam, but this one does hit profit target with the runner getting stopped out at break even. Then we have another continuation long at 14:06, plenty of room before we run into the high of the day. This one hits profit target at the close of bar 3. We can begin trailing at the low of bar 5 once it closes, adjust to the low of bar 6, and then widen our stop to the red DPI price after the close of bar 7, riding over any tails along the way, eventually getting stopped out by this turn bar here. And that is all of our qualified trades for the day.